Good morning, students. We already done the theory of this topic. In this topic, subsets we done, interval forms we done, power set, and universal set. All the definitions in previous video we already completed. Now we will start the exercise 1.3. In this exercise, question number first. This is a very simple question. Very simple. In this, you have to fill in the blanks these two symbol you have to fill, and these symbols we know already. First symbol is for the subset and second is for not subset. So make correct statements by filling in the symbols subset and or not subset in the blank spaces. So first look here, 2 3 4 2 3 4 is the first set and second set is 1 2 3 4 5. Look here, you check that all these 2 3 4 are present in this second set or not. You have to check all the, so 2 3 are present here also. This, so you will write this is a subset. Next is A B C and B C D. Look here, A is belong to the first set but A is not belongs to the second set. So here you will feel that it is not a subset. Okay, this is not a subset. Next is X, such that X is a student of class 11 of your school. Student of class 11 of your school. And second side we have X, such that X student of your school. So 11th class is already we have in a school. So this is a subset. So first set is a subset of the second. Next is X, such that X is a circle in a plane. In a plane we will draw a circle. And second side we have X, such that X is a circle in the same plane with radius 1 unit. So second side we have a circle of 1 radius only, but the left hand side we have the all the circles we have radius 1, radius 2. So the left hand side set is a big set and the right hand side the set is a small set, so it cannot be a subset. So right here this is not a subset. Next is X, fifth question is X, such that X is a triangle in a plane. We have triangle in a plane, and second side we have X, such that X is a rectangle in a plane. So there is a both are different set. One side we have a triangle and second side we have a rectangle. So these are not equal. So you write this is not a subset. X, such that X is an equilateral triangle in a plane. Equilateral triangle we have, and second side we have X, such that X is a triangle in the same plane. So triangle, look at this, equilateral triangles is a subset of the triangle. So here it is a true, means this is a subset you write here. Seventh question is X, such that X is an even natural number. Even natural number we have. Second side integers. So even natural number is small and integer is a big numbers. There we have a odd and even, all the numbers we will have. So it is a subset. This left hand side is a subset of the right hand side. So you write here this is a subset. So hope you understand these questions. Means you have to fill this symbol only. Subsets means the elements of the first side set is totally present in the second set. Okay, look here, question number 2. Examine whether the following statements are true or false. Only you have to check the true or false. Okay, look here, first question is AB is a not subset of BCA. Look here, AB both elements are here also present. So this is a subset, is not a subset, means it is a false. AE is a subset of X, such that X is a vowel in English alphabet. Look here, A and E both are vowels, and here in right hand side also it will be vowels. So it is a true that the AE set is a subset of the second side set. So it is a true. Next is 1 2 3 is a subset of 1 3 5. Look here, you can check this 2. 2 is not present in the second side set. So for the subset all the elements should present in the right hand side. So here this 2 is not present, and but here is given that it is a set. This is not a subset, so it is just false. A one set is a subset of A, B, C. This is a true. Now this A set is not belongs to. Okay, this is a wrong, false statement. Question number 6 is x such that x is an even natural number less than 6. Even natural number means 2, 4, 2 numbers you have only. And x such that x is natural number which divides 36, means 36 can be divided by 2 and 4 both, means 2 and 4 are also the factor of the 36. So here it is a true. Once more time you can check your answer. Let A equal to 1, 2 and set 3, 4 and 5. Here we have totally 4 elements. One is 1, second is 2 and third element is 1 set 3, 4 and 5. These 4 elements are here. Which of the following statements are incorrect and why, we have to find out. So look here, 3, 4 is a subset of A. This is an incorrect statement. This is incorrect, this is false statement. Why? Because this 3, 4 is belongs to A, not a this 3, 4 is belongs to A. Okay, this is not a subset. 3, 4 set is belongs to A. This is true, this is correct. Now 3, 4 and again set is a subset of A. This is a true. 1 is belongs to A. This is true. 1 is subset of A. This is wrong. Why wrong? Because you have to write this type 1 and then you can write this is subset of A. If you write 1 only means it is a belongs to A. Okay. Next is 1, 2 and 5. 1, 2 and 5. 1, 2, 5 is a subset of A. This is correct. 1, 2, 5 is belongs to A. This is wrong. Because these are not belongs to A. This is a subset of A. This okay. 1, 2, 3 is a subset of, this is a wrong. Because 3 we cannot separate this 3. 3 is a mix with the 4. 3 a 4, 1 set is given to you. Null set it belongs to A. This is wrong because null set is a subset of every set, not element. Look here, this null set is a subset of A. This is a correct. This statement we have here, null set and set is, this is a wrong statement. You can check your answer one more time. Okay, write down all the subsets of the following sets. You have to write the subsets. Here the subsets of A will be 2 set. One is null set and one is A set. Every element have one null set is a subset and one is itself. Second is the subset of these are, one is null set. One you take one single element A and you will make a set. Second is B, single element and you will make a set, and both elements you take and set, means total we have 4 subsets are. Now subsets set 1, 2, 3. First you take a null set, then you take 1, then you take 2, then you take 3, then 2 elements you take 1, 2 and set, 2, 3 and set, 1, 3 and set, and hold 1, 2, 3. Look here, the null set have only one subset, that is a null set. Look here, number of subsets we already know, that is formula is 2 power n. N means number of elements. So in first question you can check how many elements are, 1 element, so number of subset will be 2. You can check 2 we have in first question, and second question we have 2 elements, so 2 power 2 means 4 elements in a subset we have. Now look here, we have a 1, 2, 3, so total number of subsets will be 2 power 3 means we have 8. Okay, and in last we have null set, means we have 0 elements, means one subset we have. How many elements have PA if A equal to null set? PA means power set of A. Look here, we know that A is a subset of M element and number of A is M, so number of elements in power set will be 2 power M, and here A is a null set, means number of elements in A is 0, means you can write 2 power 0 is 1, so PA has 1 element only. Now question number 6 we have to write in the form of interval form. Look here, these are given in a set builder form and you have to write in the form of interval. So look here, first question is x such that x belongs to R for real number, and x is greater than -4 and less than equal to 6. Look here, this interval you write in this format. Look here, it is open from the left hand side and closed from the right hand side. So you write this type open bracket and this is a closed bracket. So you write -4 and 6. Next is question is x such that x belongs to R. X is greater than -12 and less than -10. So look here, it is open from both sides. So you can write here open bracket -12 to -10 means all the elements between -12 to 10, all the real numbers are included here. Third is similarly we have x such that x belongs to R and x is greater than equal to 0 and less than 7. So it is open from the right hand side. Okay, so you can write here closed bracket 0, 7 and open bracket. Now next question is x is greater than equal to 3 and less than equal to 4 means both side it is a close. So if you write x greater than equal to 3 less than equal to 4, you write a close bracket 3, 4 and close bracket. So all of you understand. Look here, if you have only a less than sign, if you not have equal sign means you have to mark here open bracket, and if it is a greater than equal to or less than equal to, you have that time you will use here a close bracket. This 7th question is opposite to the previous question. Write the following intervals as in a set builder form. You write, look here, this is open from both side. So you write this type that x such that x belongs to R, where x is greater than -3 and less than 0. Next is we have both side it is closed. Close means equal to, we have to add x such that x belongs to R, where x is greater than equal to 6 less than equal to 12. Next we have 6 and 12. So this open from left hand side. So you can write here x greater than 6 and less than equal to 12. So you write this type. Now next is it is open from left hand side. It is open from right hand side. So you will write here x such that x belongs to R, x greater than equal to -23 and less than 5. So all of you understand this. What universal set would you propose for the each of the following? The set of right triangle and the set of isosceles triangle. Okay, a set of triangle is given to you means you can write for the set of right triangle, the universal set can be set of triangle, or you can write set of polygon also you can write. Next is set of isosceles triangle. You can write for this also set of triangle or set of polygon or set of two-dimensional figure, that any you can write. So all of you understand this. Given set A is 1, 3, 5, B is a set 2, 4, 6, C is a set 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Which of the following may be considered as universal set for the all the three sets ABC? Means you have to write a set such that these three sets should include there. So you can write the answer 3 because this all the elements A, B, C are here present.